In this video, we're going to cover how to simplify fractions. The goal of simplifying fractions is to create a fraction that is equivalent to the initial fraction whose numerator and denominator have no common factors other than 1. The easiest way to do this is to find the greatest common factor, or GCF, of the numerator and the denominator and divide both numbers by it. So we have an example here, 8 and 12. So what we can do is find the factors of 8 first. The factors of 8 are 1, 2, 4, and 8. And now we need to find the factors of 12. The factors are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. Our greatest common factor here is 4. So now we divide the top and the bottom by 4. This gives us the simplified answer of 2 over 3. Another way we can do this is to recognize that 8 and 12 are both even numbers and thus divisible by 2. Dividing the top and the bottom by 2 will give us 4 over 6. Now we can also see here that these numbers are even and thus divisible by 2. So dividing by 2, we get 2 over 3. And that's the other way to simplify fractions. Let's simplify another fraction now. 6 over 30. Let's find the GCF of 6 and 30. The factors of 6 are 1, 2, 3, and 6, while the factors of 30 are 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15, and 30. Our greatest common factor here is 6. So we can divide the top and the bottom by 6. This gives us the simplified answer of 1 over 5. Now let's try simplifying this using the other method. So we can recognize that both of these numbers are even and divide by 2, which gives us 3 over 15. Both of these numbers are divisible by 3. So we can divide by 3, top and the bottom, which gives us 1 over 5. And that is our simplified answer. Now pause the video and try simplifying these 3 fractions. Let's go through how to do these together. So for this first one, 7 over 63, we can divide the top and the bottom both by 7, as it is a common factor between these two, which gives us 1 over 9. This cannot be simplified further, so that is our simplified answer. Let's solve the second one, 24 over 30. Both of these numbers have a factor of 6. So dividing the top by 6, we get 4. The bottom, we get 5. 4 over 5 is our simplified answer. And for this last one right here, we can divide the top and the bottom by 2, which gives us 4 over 13. And that is our simplified answer. Try simplifying this fraction and put your answer in the comment section down below.